Senong nak kena senong nang ta idon lang ki nakaliang ki try jong ki factory ki ba Meghalaya yo ka complain ka ba nakaliang ki pat ba nakaliang senong kila ai complain ha gede bat ka jingja clear ha gede bat ka tedem ha jingja clear ha gede ha bat ha gede ke jing penja clear ya ka mariang nang ta bat ha ka bayede bat ka gede ka jingmi jong ka jing sawah ka sound kaba jur ba hadu ba kala pentut penwit ya ki om tangi ki kena skul hendai ya ki ya baro ki panyong song snong ki badon ha kene kathan badain takadau nakaliang jongi ngilaiwan ban dalade ban yo ban pej ban khmi ban yo ban bu ru ya ka jingkarpat ya ki try jong kini ki factory ka pawan ispat nang ta kumju ya ka CMJ nang ta kumju ru ya kiwe ki factory ki badon in and around Byrnihat ba kini ki factory baro aba ki run ya kini ka factory ka jeki bakin ya kat kum ki kendon jong ka pollution board bat ba kenang ba kan light na kinu ki jing penwet bat kumju ru ba ki pat nong snong ki badon ha kini ka than in yo ya ka jingeda ka bakarpang kamtam ka koi ka khia mo ka badon kam na kamta ki pai ba baro ni bu ya ka jingkot jingkia matam tingi don kam ba ki baro ki try jing ni factory ni nakalian jonga kum MLA kumju ngi don lang MDC ki baro na ka team na ka administration nang ta ki nakaliang ka pollution board ki nakaliang ki police ki don lang ki sunjuk nang ba snong ibu lang ka jingkarpat sebaro ki nong punya ya sebaro ki try jong ini ki industries ki factories ki badon hagi Byrnihat Area he baro ba kini lek kat bala ban penduna lani ban penduk no si sendan ya kini ki bapenwet ya ka mariang lani ki bapenwet ya ka senong ke thau badon hagi ni ki area ki jongi ayo ban ya keren bati ba Mr. Rohit try jong ini ka CMJ factory nang tang ilayo ay ke panekren bati badu local director jong ka ponispat tingila yo ay keteka jingkular bat ilayo ru ka jingya ka inspection ka bay ngilet dai khmi hidalani bangilai ba kadon ka jingclean ka bedai ba ka jingmi jong ka tedem bat nakaliang jong ki kila batai ba ya kini ka tedem ha ka por ba ki charge lingkong
ay ipaw ka man ka bakram ila wan lang ka malay MDC ki officer na police office ki officer na pollution control board bat mangi kumju kum kinong ilam snong de kesin banikong iwan ban kejat hamni boros ketang ila suyo snow tang ya kijing complain na ki nong song snong ba kadon kane kajing sawa ka besar kai ba hadu bam long su ban yakren ban yakhana hai ngasemro kala kta bhai kisnong githau anta ka baar kalong ka bayday ba kane kajing tuj jabo supawa lalong ka ba isirkhay hadu kata hadu ba tum kinong song snong wat ban ya sum ban ya saj ban ya sajan sawa ro ilong su maka tuj jabo sene sapo wa kalong kay kay ka ba sumusi nagliang jungi kum ki nong ilam snong gina tadaw ni sokhia ban ni simkhia ro akan gesli ban ya wan ban ya kmi lang ni gini kijing ki babon ak bayday ba kini factory adon ro kane kajing penmi yakni kitidam kini kitidam tang tangki hair di sejrong deki hajar feet sejrong bat kili hapat segi baranda jo kiying breu tang tangki ying kisam ni kibreu kila yong tang kamdon su kajing khoi kijing kla klakta ro ya ka koi ka khia jong kinong snong hamtam ki khna school ki badan persya kane ka CMJ nang neli hamtam kalong persya ba ka school Don Bosco hangte kano ki khna school ki ot inam kalong kajing isne hi ki jadi ki khun ki ti para kijungi hi ki nong snong jugi gi bapule hangko dena tadaw long habakum kane ka por nakliang jong ki try bagi bapek bakmi ya kane hi ka CMJ hangme kila kulat ban le kat bala ban penduna re nakliang jungi ka sinjok ilete ngi kwa hi totally stop de ban pensange hi mardot ya kini ki jing sawa kini ki jing pentuit jobok sawak bat kene ka jing pen mi ini kita dam jobok namar ni nak liang jing kwa su bagan nang don su ka jing ot jing nam nang ne smat ni kwa hi ba ka kam jung ki ka kan yai be tang ba ya ka snong ka thau mde ban pentut ya ka imlang salang de pentut nak liang jing ka sinjok tang ta
And all the senior people of Byrnihat to our plant, and I'm very happy that they came today to see a first-hand inspection of the plant. Because while rumors have been spread against us for no rhyme or reason, if you see the incidents of last 2 to 3 weeks, it is very clear that one particular industry was being targeted when there are so many industries in Byrnihat which are emitting smokes, etc. Now, to put the record straight, right now, while they inspected the factory, the plant is running full capacity. There is no smoke from the chimney. There is no noise, except for the noise which is in the equipments which the factory is running. They could not find anything else which is otherwise, which is there almost every day, except when the plant stops because of the power failure. So when the power failure is there, the plant restarts. That for 2 hours, 3 hours, that noise which disturbs everybody is happening because it's a steam coming out at high pressure. That noise is disturbing to that 2 to 3 hours with the smoke coming out because the chimney has been refired. So for that 2 to 3 hours, that noise and that smoke is there. Thereafter, the entire plant restabilizes. There is no smoke, there is no noise at all, as you see right now in the plant. So my request to all is that let us support such industry, which is the only one in India, in Meghalaya, who has an employment of 500 local people. And when I say 500 local people, I mean genuine 500 local people in the factory. No one else in Meghalaya has this kind of manpower. We are the only ones who give 200 crores per year as revenue to the state government. No one else is giving that.
so what is the process like you
We already have the best of pollution equipment in the plant as per the pollution board. So that is why there is no smoke now. There is no smoke now. It is invariably, as Mr. Khakrang was also explaining, that when you restart the plant, that initial 2 hours, 3 hours is bound to happen, that smoke. No one can stop that. So that
how you can control it?
So we will try to reduce that. We have spoken to our family, we have assured him that we will try to reduce the noise to the best possible extent under the laws. We will do that. Besides that, there are agencies by the government of Meghalaya who are monitoring our noise levels every month. They submit a report every month to the pollution board, which highlights the smoke and the noise levels, which are in line with the framework of the laws.
So what since
I would request everybody that let us try to control this smoke which is emitting from all the factories to the best possible extent, and see to it that our nearby areas are not affected by it. And I am from Meghalaya, born, brought up here. I would say that I would request everyone to cooperate to the best possible, so that we live together as one community in Byrnihat.